BrightBYTES! Hey, Champ! Welcome back to another BrightBYTES session, where we make big concepts easier. Today, we're talking about something super cool! Generative AI. Let's explore it with the 5 W's.
Generative AI is like a talking library that can write just for you. It's a computer program that can make things with words like stories, poems, answers, and even explanations.
Okay. And where do we use generative AI?
Oh, good question. Everywhere. It's like a toolbox full of helpers. Imagine your math homework explained step by step, or a game where AI invents brand new characters as you play. Even your parents might use it to write emails or plan trips.
I see. But tell me, when is it used?
Anytime. Think of it as a 24/7 writing buddy, ready in the morning for homework, a story in the night, or great ideas anytime you need.
Oh, that's amazing! And why is it important?
Because it's like a creativity booster pack. It saves time, makes learning easier, and helps you dream bigger. But remember, AI is a sidekick, not a superhero. You're still the thinker, creator, and director.
How cool is that? But who gets to use generative AI?
So many people. Students practice essays, teachers prep lessons, and game makers build new worlds. One day, future you could invent something brand new. Maybe a robot pet or space storybook. So basically, generative AI for text is like a magic typewriter. It writes, explains, and creates almost like it's alive with ideas.
But before we go, here's a challenge for you. If you could ask generative AI to write any story, what would it be? Huh? A trip to the amusement park? Adopting a pet? A space adventure? Drop it in the comments! That's it for today, Champ! Like, share, and subscribe to keep leveling up your learning game. Until next time, bye-bye!